Hey everybody, I'm going to do a quick coffee review today. Coffee is my favorite drink, and this is my favorite coffee, Fogline coffee. I found out about this coffee from one of my favorite YouTubers, Static Campervan. Uh, his name is Scott, and he loves coffee. And since coffee is my favorite drink, I took his recommendation and I ordered this coffee online, and it quickly turned into my favorite coffee. This is their morning brew, and I ordered their decaf as well because sometimes I like to mix it 50-50 and get like kind of like a half calf thing going when I just want to hang around and enjoy coffee. Uh, this Fogline coffee is amazing. I don't have it here in Las Vegas, so I have to go online and order it. It's like a small brewery from Acadia, Northern California, and I would never know about it if it wasn't for Static Camper Van. So thanks, Scott, for turning me on to some great coffee. And all right, let me show you what this coffee looks like. So this would be the close-up of the bag. This happens to be the morning breakfast blend, and they show you the roast levels. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 2 out of 5. So it is considered a light roast. So this bag is going to be their decaf. This one's from Mexico. The last bag of decaf I had was from Brazil. It was delicious. This one is delicious as well. So the roast level is 3 out of 5. Decaf is always darker roast. That would be the bag. And this would be the back of the bag. You can pause it if you want to read about the company and what they do and how they do. And what I really like are these brewing tips on the side of the bag, where they give you like the best ways to brew your coffee. It's really good, and you can actually pause this for. And then the social media accounts that they run. So here I got what the coffee beans actually look like out of the bag. This is the regular, kind of brownish color. It's light roast, so it's going to be lighter. And this is their decaf. It's going to be darker roast. And what I like to do a lot of times, I like to mix them. I like to really give it a good mix and make me a little half calf when I'm just off and don't have a lot of stuff to do. I just enjoy my coffee. Just like to mix it 50-50 and brew myself a delicious cup of coffee. That's it. That's all it takes. All right, got some beautiful coffee. Look at that beautiful coffee in there. Wow. Oh, it's gonna be so good. It looks real nice. Let's go make some coffee. This coffee smells amazing. All right, this is an amazing cup of coffee from a small coffee roaster from a small town in Northern California. Uh, Amazing. Oh, so good. So this is my fourth time ordering coffee from Fogline, and they ran out of the best coffee that I ever had. This coffee from Tanzania that they were selling the last time. So I was gonna order the same, but they were sold out. So I opted for the morning brew because I never had it, and it's really good. My second time ordering decaf from them, excellent. Like it's so good you can't tell it tastes like real coffee. It's amazing. And I'm a coffee drinker. I drink coffee throughout the day. So sometimes at night, if I want coffee, I'll just make me a cup of decaf, so I don't have to stay up all night. To order this coffee, you're gonna have to go online uh, and order it online. Fogline Coffee. Just Google it. It'll come up. Go to their website. Pick the coffee you like. Order it. It's just gonna change your life. All right, guys. Thank you for hanging out with me this morning, and I'll go finish my coffee. See you guys in the next one. So good.